Good morning, my princess.
Mom!
Wake up, sleepy girl.
Emma, do you want to go to the park today? Really? Yes, Mom! Mom, this place is so beautiful!
Seeing you happy makes me happy too.
Mom, look at me!
You're so cute, Emma. Emma, you have a very kind heart. You always care about others. Promise me you'll...
I promise, Mom. Today was the best day ever.
My best moments are always with you.
Dear little babies, you must be hungry.
Did you have fun today, Emma?
Yes, Mom. Today was amazing.
Seeing you happy is enough for me.
I love you, Mom.
I love you more, my angel.